Hey guys, welcome, and in this video we are going to review a product which is called as Project Done For You. We will discuss everything in detail, but before telling you anything about the product, let me make it very clear that if you buy this product from the link which is in the description, which is my link, then I will get some commissions out of your purchase without you paying anything extra for the product. Why I'm getting this? I'm getting this because I'm referring you to the product creator. That is why he is incentivizing me for selling that product. Okay, so we will discuss everything in details about this product. I will give you tons of bonuses from my side as well. Let me show you my bonuses. So this is my bonus page of Project Done For You. As you can see, the Project Done For You, and these are my bonuses. I have briefed about the product as well. This is the sales page. We will sales funnel. We will discuss about the funnel as well. But this is my bonus number 1, bonus number 2, bonus number 3. All of these bonuses will be yours if you buy this product from the link in the description. Okay, so let's do not waste further more time and let's start reviewing the product which is Project Done For You. And so let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, this is the Project Done For You, which is having 22 methods with gold and silver option, and it's time to level up. Okay, the Project Done For You is exclusive tutorial trainings on how to build custom bonuses, lead magnets, email list, exclusive unique review bonuses with call to action money making while you sleep at night. Okay, so it is a kind of a product which will train you of how to create custom bonuses for your list as well, and how to build your list. Okay, email list, exclusive unique review bonuses with call to action money making while you sleep at night. So this is Darren Brown, affiliate marketer and founder of Limitless Product Factory, and skill to increase your income over the shoulder training. Even newbies can follow with instant 2-minute setup if you opt into the gold option, one of the fastest methods on the planet, also the best deal on the planet. So you are having 22 plus training methods which may never have known about at your fingertips. 22 unique training methods you may never have known about at your fingertips. Okay, hard language, but it's okay. So this is my bonus page. Let me now show you my bonuses which I'm gonna give you if you buy this product from the link in the description. Okay, so when you build a list or you are creating bonuses, all of these will finally end up doing, or will finally help you out in doing a business which is called as affiliate marketing, which is a kind of a business which was very much and pretty much insane at the start, which is insane and very hot now, and it will be hotter later. Why it is so? Because when the businesses grows, any businesses grows, in the future the businesses will grow even more businesses will come out, and the business industry will bloom like anything else. So every business requires sales, and that sale requires affiliate marketers, because affiliate marketers are the people who helps any businesses to sell their products to their customers. Okay, so that is the job of affiliate marketer, and that affiliate marketing business is also blooming nowadays. And if you build a list through this Project Done For You product, if you build a list through this product, if you create bonuses for this product, then all of these things will help you out in doing the affiliate marketing business a lot. But to do affiliate marketing business and to succeed in affiliate marketing business, you must know about the tips and tricks of affiliate marketing, complete knowledge of affiliate marketing, ways to create the bonuses for whom you want to create the bonuses, how to create your email list, and how to promote products on the list. It completely falls on affiliate marketing. means mainly falls on affiliate marketing. If you do not want to go for the the technique of normal email marketing or creating bonuses for your clients. Otherwise, affiliate marketing is the way you should go out, and it is the way you can make any amount of money as you like, as you want. Okay, my bonus number one will be completely based on teaching you how to do affiliate marketing the best way possible. It is completely showing you all the ways that people are using to do affiliate marketing, how people are succeeding in it. Okay, so this is my bonus page, and I have briefed about this product. This is the sales funnel, as I told you, and this is the bonus number one which I'm going to give you if you buy this product from me. I know this is insane. $1 million toolbox, 6-figure influx, commission blueprint, $200 cashback, $300 CPA every day, overnight commissions, instant traffic jacker, commission glitch, $100 CPA, and a lot. There are 16 affiliate marketing courses completely for you waiting to get to your account if you buy this product from the link in the description. When you click the link in the description, you will land on this page, which is my bonus page. And when you click any of these yellow buttons right here, you will land on the sales page of this project done for you. And if you grab the project done for you from any of these buttons, then what will happen is all of these bonuses from my account will directly transfer to your account completely free. Okay, it is, I guess, around $700. Okay, so as you can see, it consists of a lot of stuff, and the pricing, real value price, is around $700, and it is only the bonus number one which I'm going to give you if you buy this product from my link. The bonus number two which I'm going to give you is the backbone of affiliate marketing. What is the backbone of affiliate marketing? The backbone of affiliate marketing is the traffic, the customers of affiliate marketing, means the products who are going to buy your product are the visitors, customers, and mainly called as traffic. And that traffic I'm going to give you through my bonus number two. So let me show you my bonus number two. This is my bonus number two. As you can see, the Fuego breakout, the clones, Fuego multiplier, bang profits, 0 hour work days, incognito. All of these will be teaching you how to get the visitors, how to get the customers who are gonna buy your product. Okay, so the app, the training which you will get through this product, which is project done for you, will help you out on creating the bonuses, building your list. But the bonus number two will help you out in getting visitors or customers to your list. Okay, so this is my bonus number two will do. And the bonuses have not ended yet. The bonus number three, I'm also having a bonus number three, and it is very much special because it will teach you a lot of ways of earning money online. It is completely based on earning money through various processes online, and it is completely based on how you can make a fortune online. Bonus number three is, as you can see, 0 hour work days from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Mobile, Lost Code, then Easy Passive Paydays. All of these will be 9 money making courses, top 9 money making courses will be transferred directly to your account if you buy this project done for you from the link in the description. Okay, all you need to do is simply click this yellow buttons or any of these yellow buttons which states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, and all of these bonuses will be transferred to your account when you check out through this link. Okay, but there is one single catch on getting these bonuses, because I have a timer here right in the sales, right in my bonus page, and this timer will show you the time you are having before this bonuses will transfer to your account. Because after this timer is 0, when I'm recording this video, this timer is counting, and when you land on this page, you must have less time than this one. You will definitely have less time than this one. So kindly check out before the timer hits 0, because after the timer hits 0, then I will not be responsible to send out the bonuses to you. But before the timer hits 0, it is my complete responsibility to solve any query of yours. If you have any, in the comment section down below, kindly ask. Or if you are facing any problem getting the bonuses, kindly comment in the section down below, and I will directly transfer all of these bonuses to you. So this is my bonus page. This is me, Shubhadeep, and I guess everything is now clear in my bonus page. Now let us move on to the project done for you. What is so unique about this project done for you? List building converts with your list, grow your list, cheapest price you will ever pay, customer satisfaction, then maximum buy-in, unique social platform access for evergreen setups, gold and silver options. So there are a lot of things. You can read it out right here. There are a lot of stuff. There are a lot of frequently asked questions as well. What is project done for you? A lot of stuff there. It is written in the sales page. You must see right here. The pricing, as you can see, it is only $9 today. Instant access at a one-time price. It is a one-time price. You do not have to pay twice, thrice. No, you have to pay once and get this product once and forever. But the people are saying about this product, you can see right here. Okay, and regarding to this product funnel, let me show you the funnel. So what is a funnel? The funnel is a kind of a software, a kind of a thing which means you are having a front-end product, okay, which is a project done for you product. When you have brought this product, you will be offered another product which will incentivize, which will not incentivize, but it will enhance the performance of the previous product. Likewise, means how to explain. So suppose I do not know if you have watched Iron Man or not, but Iron Man had I am a very big Iron Man fan. So the Iron Man had prepared his first suit in a tunnel, and he named it as Mark 1. Then after he upgraded that Mark 1 to Mark 2, its performance, the performance of the suit increased. Then Mark 3, Mark 4, Mark 5, and lot goes on. Okay, this is how this funnel works. When you have the Mark 1 as the front-end product, which is of $9, but it will definitely rise every single hour, and it will end up getting up to $19, as you can see right here. Okay, so the front end will be $9, and it will when the time sale stops, it will land up at $19. Okay, then as a Mark 2, you are having a OTO 1, which is $19 upsell. Then you are having an OTO 2 of $27, OTO 3 of $39, OTO 4, OTO 5, and OTO 6. All of these will be one-time offers. It is Mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be 6. Up to Mark 6 you will be having as Iron Man suits, and it will enhance the performance of the product. Okay, if you want to know what this product is, then let me show you where it is. Okay, so the product which states as Mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the front end product is project done for you. As you can read it right here, what you are getting with these 22 plus tutorial methods included in project done for you, exclusive fast tracking. You will be making this much. OTO 1 is of $19, limitless monthly membership. Limitless membership gives you everything you need for affiliate marketing, including after your third month payment, access to existing products, future product I have created, everything you will get. An exclusive monthly discount coupon code is 40% discount. If you want to have, then kindly apply this discount code. Okay, then you are having an OTO 2, which is Elite List Club done for you funnel, and access Elite List Club mailer setup. Everything is done for you. Okay, then you are having an OTO 3, which is project done for you reseller rights. Sell this product as yours and enjoy 100% commissions. Okay, then OTO 4 of $57, 10 for you monthly campaigns up to 1 year plus optimized super funnel. Exclusive bonus included will host for you high optimized super funnel. Okay, then you are having an OTO of 5. You are having an OTO of 5, as you can see. Access to unlimited access to limitless yearly. If you want to buy this, then kindly apply this code and save $50 on this one. An OTO 6, access lifetime limitless 5 places only. You will get long awaited lifetime access to closed group access, digital marketing content included with closed membership group that will get exclusive access, ready to use once purchased. Okay, it is worth of $2,197. Get it quick, buying price of $797. Okay, if you want to get a $300 discount code, then kindly apply this thing, which is YR27S367DQ V4R. This code will save you $300 for your purchase, and a lot of stuff are there right here. I guess you get it, a brief idea of what is happening right here. So if you have any query regarding to this product, kindly comment section. Comment section is yours. Kindly ask me down there, and I will reply you with anything. If you wanna watch out more videos regarding to other products, kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so that you will never miss out on other updates of product which launches every single day or every single week. So with that note, let us wrap up this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.